Hi there, team. So here is our animal research report video about finishing our characteristics slide. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. Now you should already have these slides completed. Title slide, where you added your animal's name and your name. Introduction, where you added 2 interesting facts about your animal here and here, and then your animal's name there. Your animal's habitat. So, incomplete sentences, complete sentences. Please tell me where your animal lives. What part of the world? What is the weather or climate like there? And does your animal have some kind of shelter? You should also have finished the adaptations slide. So the adaptations were the special features that help it survive. How does it help them? And does it have any behavioral adaptations that help it survive as well? And then finally, your conclusion, where all you had to do was just type in your animal's name. Okay, let's take a look at my uh, finished one. So here is my characteristics slide. And actually, in characteristics, this is what we are looking for. Characteristics is basically just what does your animal look like? Okay, you are describing what it looks like. And you're going to do that in 3 to 5 sentences. They must be complete ones. Tell me in a sentence, how big is your animal? What is its height? How tall is it? What is its length? How long is it? And what does it weigh? What is its weight? You might not be able to find all 3, boys and girls, so if that's the case and you're having trouble finding all 3 pieces of information, just find what you can. If it's only height or weight or length or 2 of the 3, that's okay. What is your body covered with, or what is the body of your animal covered with? Is it covered with fur, feathers, scales, maybe slimy skin? And also you might want to add the color of that body covering. So my sloth is covered with brown fur, right? For Jorge, his tiger is covered with white fur and black stripes. All right, so you choose how you want to do that. Does it have any special features like horns, antlers, tusks, claws, hooves, paws, wings, and a mane? For Manuel, who's doing a lion, your animal special feature is a mane, right? For Kaylee, who's doing the cheetah, it would be like the long tail or sharp teeth. You can find these special features in your adaptation slide because you already wrote about it right here. It's special features. Okay, now let's take a look at mine. And there is my characteristics slide. You see here that I put characteristics and features, and I even included a diagram of a picture pointing to like its claws, its green coat, its eyes and snout and head. Okay. Sloths can grow to be 2 feet long, about the size of a cat. Depending on the species of sloth, they can weigh from 7 to 18 pounds. So here I've talked about its length and its weight. Couldn't really find its height, how tall it is. A sloth's body is covered in fur, which is usually brown, tan, white, or gray in color. Sloths have small, roundish flat heads, big, sad-looking eyes, small ears, long legs, and short, stubby tails. Okay, so there it is. I talked about what it's covered with, and I talked about what the color of that covering is. I also added some other features that I thought would be important to help people understand what a sloth looks like. The fact that I talked about its head and its eyes and ears and even its stubby little tail, right? You might want to include some of those things in your animal research report if you can find them. I ended with its special features. Its special feature are its claws. Some have 2 claws, while other sloths have 3 claws. Okay, so I've included these in my characteristics slide. Now, what I have been seeing lately is some people, not everybody, some people writing incomplete sentences. So you're actually giving me just facts instead of actual sentences. So instead of saying a sloth size is 2 feet long, about the size of a house cat, I just get 2 feet long. Instead of saying, depending on the species of sloth, they can weigh from 7 to 18 pounds. Instead of that sentence, I get weigh from 7 to 18 pounds. Boys and girls, these are not complete sentences, okay? Those are just notes, bits of information, stuff that we write on, let's say like on our charts, okay, or on a graphic organizer, but not when we turn in actual writing. These need to be in complete sentences. So please put it in the sentence that has a period, that begins with a capital letter, that you reread to yourself and it makes sense. Okay? So good luck finding all the information you need for characteristics slide and have fun doing it, boys and girls. I can't wait. Like I said, I cannot wait to read what you find.